Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to delete videos from library on YouTube TV. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to access your YouTube TV library. So visit the YouTube TV website and log in into your account using your credentials. If you are already logged in, proceed to the next step. So the following step is to go to the library. So click on the library icon, usually located in the top navigation menu of the YouTube TV interface. This will take you to your library where your recorded shows and movies are stored. The next step is to find the video you want to remove. So locate the video you wish to delete from your library. You can scroll through your library or use the search or filtering option to find a specific video you want to remove. The fourth step is to remove the video from your library. So unfortunately YouTube TV does not offer a direct option to delete videos from your library. However, you can remove them by selecting the remove or remove from library option associated with the video. The exact wording and placement of this option may vary depending on the version of the YouTube TV interface. The last step is to confirm the removal. So after selecting the remove option, a confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm the removal of the video from your library. So follow the prompts to confirm the removal and the selected video will be removed from your library. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.